What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And y'all can see we got the Driveshaft in for Dolo, man, boy. And look, when I picked it up, I said, boy, that's a monster Driveshaft. I ain't know I had got something that big, man. So y'all want this Driveshaft, y'all have to hit up Lawless Street Car. Y'all see my guy back there going in. Y'all have to hit up Lawless Street Car. Y'all want one of these Driveshaft, man. It's a monster Driveshaft. I got the best of the best. Overkill, make sure I ain't finna break nothing. Cause that's one of my paranoia when I be building cars. I'm like, man, I don't wanna break nothing. I don't wanna break no rim, no stud, none of that stuff. So I always just go ahead and do what I gotta do. So I'm gonna show y'all the Driveshaft then, man. I'm gonna try to get it in today. If not today, it's gonna be the same vlog. It might be the next day. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so this is it. I'm gonna set y'all right here. Hood of Dolo, and we're gonna get this thing opened up. Y'all see that yoke, man? It's billet yoke. They do tail too. Splines in here, it wasn't tail. So billet yoke, man. Solid U joints, so they don't need grease. All aluminum, 3-inch. It's a big boy. Gotta worry about breaking this. Best believe that. Right length and everything. Look at this, boy. This a grown man right here. Y'all see it? It's a billet yoke, man. Like I said, solid U joints. I don't know if y'all can get the effects of how big it is or whatever. But like I said, all aluminum, so it's lighter too. That's another thing. Look at it. Bad piece it's a bad piece now. So I'm telling y'all, hit up Jesse or Lawless Street Cars. I'm putting the number on the screen. Get you right. Y'all see this bad boy. Look, let me lay it down, cause I don't know how the view look, man. So I'm gonna make sure it's in view. I want y'all to see this. It's a it about to roll off, boy. We don't need it to roll off. Too much money right here. It ain't cheap, I tell you that now. So you want one, I'm gonna tell you now, it ain't cheap, man. It costs. So y'all see it. U joints, man. Solid U joint. I don't know if I don't know if you can get the idea of the thickness of it, but it's thick. It's big, boy. Pulled it out, I said, damn, Jesse, is it gonna fit in there? I said, yeah, it's gonna fit. But like I said, billet yoke. Got to worry about that. Ain't no twisting and breaking this. So yeah, man, we good. We good to go. All I gotta do is jack it up, slide this in, then we can finally test this thing now. This what I waiting on. Y'all like, why you don't hit it? I told y'all I gotta get the Driveshaft. Now that's why I ain't hit it. But now we got this. So now we in the game. So I'm gonna jack it up, slide it in there, and then hey man, we gonna go test this nag out then. Cause we ready to go. So yeah. When y'all just stay tuned in, we're gonna get this thing jacked up, get it slid in there, and then we're gonna make it do what it do. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. This is a new day. Cause I ain't get time to put that thing in. That day I first recorded the opening and stuff, so you know. I finally get some time today. So we about to put this bad boy in here so I can ride. We can finally ride. Like ride. Peace of mind ride. Cause the Driveshaft got to come up out of here. got to come up out of here. So, we're gonna put y'all right here. Y'all get some of the wrench turning action. I'm finna go around and get on the creeper. We'll make it do what it do. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Time to make it happen. Time to make it happen. You did. You did what I'm saying. Alright, let's see. Get that bad boy out. I'm gonna come up out of here today. Right now, today. Man, I've been waiting to put this thing in, y'all. Y'all just don't know. Cause I'm so ready. I'm so ready to test this thing out and feel the hustle hard power. Especially since I got my first gear now. Especially since I got my first gear. Been dying to feel the hustle hard power. Told y'all better hit him up. Hit up my fam Frank. Get you right. Oh, come on now. See. See what's going on. Tell y'all what. This dry shell it's going in here so much bigger, it ain't even funny. I'm talking about way bigger. We got one more to get loose. Y'all know I should have got my electric ratchet. Know what I'm thinking about? Electric ratchet will just zip that thing off. There we go. Quick little job, man. Slide the aluminum in. Then we're gonna be ready. Alright, it's back. Now I got y'all positioned. So y'all should be able to see something. I don't know what I had y'all looking at last time. But we can get this thing out of here. And I'm hoping I got enough clearance. Cause I'm sure not trying to drop these hits off. I ain't telling y'all no lie. I'm not trying to drop these hits off, man. So I hope I got enough clearance. Cause y'all know I got the X pipe. So it looked like it'll clear. Well, then again, I'm looking at it. I really don't know. I don't know, y'all. Watch them end up having to drop it. I already see it. End up having to drop it, but it is what it is. We're gonna get it out. Get it out. Been a busy week. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie. I really don't feel like being out here doing it. I want to do it, but I don't. Then again, I don't feel like it. Cause I'm tired. Just came back from South Carolina. Don't Master event. There was a nice drive. Came back. I had one more workout to do, so I got my workout in. Then I'm shooting this part on Easter. So, you know, did the stuff with the kids. Then edited the video real quick. Man, I'm tired. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work going on, people don't see. Whole lot of work people going on, people don't see. Just between just regular life and stuff too, so. That's how you get ahead in life, though. Hey, I don't quit when I'm tired. I quit when I'm done. Period. It's all to it. So we're gonna finish. All right, y'all. So we got the old one out. Y'all see, and you can see in comparison how much bigger the aluminum one is, and the length. I said it needed a little more inches. They're gonna give us exactly what we need. See where it was around it. Like I said, man, it went. Need some more in there. Right there, so should be in the game, man. Should be in the game. So I'm gonna work this thing in here and check back in with y'all. Alright, y'all, we're checking back in. I got the new one. I got the new one up in there. Back position. Alright. Got the new one up in here. Boy, y'all just don't know. I thought I was finna be disappointed for a second. I know. Got the hand tightened here. I thought I was about to be disappointed, man. I had to finesse it a little bit. It's a perfect fit, though. Look like about a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch slip room. Room for slip, so I like look perfect fit. Well, boy, I thought it wasn't gonna fit, but I finna say, oh man, it's too short. Boy, I finna be sad out here. Y'all just don't know. I should have had the camera on, boy. I finna be, boy, I look sad out here, no lie. I like, man, I'm still finna have to get this thing cut. I have to get this thing cut. Cause the one I had in here, hell, I cut it, didn't even have to. Needed a different yoke on it. Come to find out, cause you know, some of these 400s, depending on if they have a truck shaft in them or a passenger car shaft. So the yoke, you put the yoke in, it'll start bottoming out like a inch before it touched the back of the tail. So it'll throw you off. And I was like, man, that what I had going on. I was like, man, I was like, boy, I have to cut this thing. I already cut one I ain't have to cut. All I had to do was change the yoke. But it ain't gonna hurt. I need this now. I ain't need it for the budget motor, but I need this. So we getting this going back with it. Make sure it's nice and tight, of course. Cause we don't need no mishaps because something went tight. Got these solid U-joints in here. Bad boy shouldn't break them. I know that. Woo! Boy, these U-joints ain't no joke. These things ain't no joke, I'm telling you. Woo! So we getting this locked in place real good. Uh-oh. Then we're gonna be good to go right now today. Hey y'all check this out. Now, I took y'all advice. That's why I love when y'all comment. Cause some of y'all on the money, man. You know, you say stuff respectfully and all that. I listen to everything. I read everything. Right now I can. When they get too many comments, sometimes I can't read them, but I was overthinking the brake light problem. I was like, how I'm gonna put this thing back in the pin? And somebody said, just cut the wire on the other side of the harness and twist them together. I was like, man, that's right. That's right. All that connector doing is putting the wires together. That's all the connector does. It's just putting them together. Unless it's a special, I ain't gonna get technical and all that with connectors. But for the most part, that's how most connectors are doing. They just putting wires together a nice looking way. So that's what I did. I ain't even cut it out the connector. I just stripped a little section of it and the broke part, stripped it, extended it, and then tied it in together. So I ain't even have to cut it out the harness. So I got my brake light problems situated. But now my running lights ain't working. It's crazy, man. Now my running lights ain't working, man. I don't know. They be on and off, but they come on. They done came on before. I'm talking about just last week they was on. And I just noticed now the running light's not on. So it probably another loose wire up under there or something. But I I'm done for the day, man. I'm tired. I'm seriously tired, man. I just backed it up because I was like, man, let me see if my light's working. I set the camera down. After I put that wire, hooked that wire up, I set the camera down, filmed, see my brake lights working. But now I notice my running lights not working. So now we gotta jump on that. But that ain't nothing. That just means no nighttime driving. That's what that means basically. But I can drive it now because you got to have them brake light, man. It's safety. Turn signals work, brake lights, headlights, everything except the running lights, which they on and off now. So I gotta figure out what's going on with that. So you know, we got everything. We got everything situated, man. So yeah, that's it for today, man. That's it for today, y'all. I'm finna park this thing, put the cover on. It says Easter Sunday. Hope y'all had a good one. And I'm finna actually go up here and edit, man. That's what I'm gonna do. Finna go edit car. Then this thing will be waiting on me tomorrow to drive it. Finally drive it. I give y'all that video. I need to clean them tires though. I give y'all that video or whatever. We're gonna finally test this thing, which I'm gonna do that off camera though. But I'm gonna turn it up for y'all. Cause my boy Frank already turned it up, man, with that other drive cell. He braver than me. He turned it up, but and that thing here, boy, y'all, all I gotta say, y'all gotta see in the action. My close ones, they done seen it already. I texted to them when it first happened, but y'all gonna get to see it, man. So I'm gonna turn this thing up tomorrow for sure. Best believe it. So yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'll catch y'all later. I'm out.